Hi Nangun customers, we've got another unboxing for you today. Today it's the Tomei Expreme exhaust manifold. This one happens to be for the RB26 or the R32, R34 and R33. Part number is 193084. Okay, not much to see on the outside of the box, so let's just get right inside. I admit I cut the tape on the box just to ease the opening process. Okay, so first thing we find inside is the warranty card. Next we get a bag of goodies. Okay, and here we've got the installation manual, and I think you can see it's both in Japanese and in English. Comes with a few Tomei stickers. Everybody loves those. And in here we've got some gaskets, clips, some bolt smooth paste, and next we've got some bands or straps. And yes, this is the header tape. And looks like we might have another box. Yes, another box of header tape. Next, okay. Now the main feature. Just gonna have to cut the tape here. Okay, there's one. And here's the other. I'm just going to leave that in the packaging. It's a bit hard to undo with one hand. I'll just give you a close-up view of the headers themselves. Really nice finish. There's the Tomei Expreme badge. And now I'll just zoom out and give you a full shot of everything included. So you can read all about this at www.nangun.com and place your order today. Thanks for watching.